That's a big fish. Oh, she's on it. That was sick. That was so sick. Got her on the new color poppin' perch. It's got like a see-through blue skirt. Really good looking color. Man, that fish, she blew up on it. I kept walking it. I saw her flash on it. Gave it like one more twitch. Bam. What I'm talking about. That was sick. Oh. She wasn't that big. I saw the weight coming over and I just stopped it right at the edge of that grass. I love when you see that weight coming. That one freaking hammered it. Golly. Jeez, that fish hammered it. Crushed the frog. Oh my god. It's a good like 4-pounder probably. Freaking hammered that frog. Four pounds, 3 ounces. Nice. On the pink King Daddy. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm using right now. So this frog was solid pink. And I took a black Sharpie and just colored a bunch of spots on it. Took some blue Sharpie right here. And I actually ran out of ink, so that's why this isn't one solid color. But man, my first cast of this thing, I got a blow up, and then that one just fucking crushed it. I dipped the skirt in blue dye. This is gonna fade off real quick. I need to dye this top part. But man, that's a pretty killer looking color if you ask me. Fish get off. I only had her hooked on the bottom lip, that's why she shook off. Oh, damn, are you kidding me? First cast with the King Daddy. I have no clue how that fish came off. She just like sucked it under. God dang it, man. Got to be shitting me. Oh my god, it's a big one. Right at the boat, are you kidding me? just lost a fucking good one too. That one I lost was bigger than this. This is a solid 3-pounder. I watched her freaking eat it and swallow it right at the boat. Throw in the pink, I just re-sharpied it. And I dyed the top solid blue. They like this fucking frog, man. Big and oh my god, come here. Choked it, dude. Yes. Woo! Hell yeah. What I'm talking about, baby. Look at that King Daddy gone, y'all. Unreal. See how big. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish, y'all. Oh, fuck, she missed it.